Hey, subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to ring that bell. If you ring that bell, you get all my recipes instantaneously as soon as they come out. Ah, it's fantastic. Like today's recipe. Wonderful. I woke up this morning and there's a foot of snow outside. Like today's recipe. Breakfast. I want it to be easy. I want it to be nutritious. I want to get some energy going so I can take out the snowblower and get rid of some of this snow. What am I going to make? Pancakes. Very easy. But I can't just make any pancake. I got to make it special. Let me add some zucchini to it. Let me add some walnuts to it. That's special. Hey, I love zucchini muffins. So I took that concept, I'm going to make it into pancakes. I can't wait. Let's get started right away. Let's get cooking. Okay, so the method here, very easy. It's called the muffin method. You take the dry ingredients in one bowl, the wet ingredients in another bowl, and you put the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, you mix it together, and then you got pancake batter. Wonderful. Here's how it works. I'm starting with 1 cup of flour, and I'm using King Arthur whole wheat flour. It's a good flour. 1 cup. Now I'm using a 1/4 cup of sugar, but not just any sugar. I want brown sugar. So what I'm going to use is this coconut palm sugar. It's a kind of brown sugar. It's a little healthier than regular sugar. So let's use some brown sugar. A 1/4 cup. That's what it looks like. See? Brown sugar. 1/4 cup. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Give a little mix. Alright, there's your dry ingredients. Check out that zucchini. Hey, it's a huge zucchini. It's bigger than my head. Fantastic. Wonderful. Okay, now I have to grate this zucchini. I need 1.5 cups of zucchini. So I'm just going to grate it. Here's 1 cup. And there's a 1/2 cup. Now I'm also going to need a teaspoon of vanilla. I'm using this Mexican vanilla. It's very good stuff. Very nice flavor. And a teaspoon of cider vinegar. This is good cider vinegar. And you see it has with the mother. Mother is the bacteria that makes apple cider into apple cider vinegar. Wonderful. Going to use 1 teaspoon. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of almond milk. And a tablespoon, 1 tablespoon of golden flaxseed. That's golden flaxseed. Make sure it's ground or it's flaxseed meal. That works the best. I give the wet ingredients a little toss. Then I'm going to add this to the dry ingredients. Just like that. Hey, mix it all up. This looks a little too dry. So I'm going to correct that with another little bit of almond milk, another quarter cup of almond milk. Because this recipe, for its moisture, depends a lot on the actual zucchini, how much moisture is in the zucchini. I don't want to make it too loose, but if I add all the ingredients together and it's too tight, just add a little more almond milk. So add another 1/4 cup of almond milk. Don't add a 1/2 cup at the beginning. Start with a 1/4 cup. If it's too dry, add another 1/4 cup. Let's mix it and see what happens. All right. Hey, that's perfect consistency. You see, it's almost like a paste. See See that? Like a paste. That's good. Okay. Now, you know me, I like texture. I'm a texture kind of guy. So, you know what I'm going to add next? Half a cup of chopped walnuts. That's going to give me some nice texture. Just mix that in and then we're ready to go. Okay, I have a non-stick saute pan. I'll give it a little spray to make it really non-stick. I'm going to use a tablespoon at a time. Nice. Put it in there and flatten it out a bit. I have the pan preheated on medium heat. Beautiful. Okay, so it takes about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. You flip it over. Look at that color. That's beautiful. Now it's going to take another 3 or 4 minutes, and then they're done. Hey, this is Chef Dan reporting to you live from the snowstorm. It's a blizzard outside, but check these out. Gonna be a great breakfast. I need all the energy I can get. I gotta move some snow around outside. Use my snow blower. Even with a snow blower, it's a lot of work. Take my word for it. Hey, you like these? You gotta check out my oatmeal pancakes. Great video. Great pancake. I'll see you there.